Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Indonesian culture diversity. Introduce myself. My name is Sri Adriani Said. Name 200,109,510,002. Courses Education, Geography, ICP, or International Class Program. Nusantara culture for ethnic Bugis and Makassar culture. Definition of culture. Culture or culture comes from the Sanskrit language budaya, which is the plural form of budi, budaya or reason, is defined as things related to human intellect and reason. Another form of the word culture is culture, which comes from English, namely culture and Latin culture. Definition of Bugis. The Bugis are an ethnic group from South Sulawesi. The main characteristic of this ethnic group are language and customs, so that Malay and Minangkabau immigrants who have migrated to Sulawesi since the 15th century as administrative and tradespeople and the Kingdom of Goa and have been acculturated are also categorized as Bugis. Location, Geography, Natural Environment, Demography. The Bugis region is located in the lowlands and coastal areas of the southern island of Sulawesi. In this plain, the land is quite fertile, so that many Bugis people live as farmers. Apart from being farmers, the Bugis tribe is also known as a fishing community and trades. Even though they have fertile land and suitable for farming, most of their people are sailors. Not much different from the Bugis tribe, the Makassar tribe or the Makassar people mostly live in the South Sulawesi area. Apart from working as trades, Makassar people are also good at selling, like to migrate, and that is why these ethnic groups exist outside Indonesia, for example, in Singapore and Malaysia. Language. In their daily lives, the Bugis still use the language Yugi, which is the language of the large family of West Austronesian languages. In addition, the Bugis also have their own script, the Lontara script, which comes from sacred letters. Uniquely, the Bugis accent differs in each region. Some are rough and some are smooth. Language, which is owned by the Bugis, indicates one thing. The Bugis at the time had an extraordinary civilization. The ancestors of the Bugis tribe were intelligent people who were able to create and pass on knowledge. The Makassar language is the language spoken by the Makassar tribal since centuries ago. The Makassar language is still related to the Bugis and Mandar language. Even though there are differences, in general they can grasp the meaning of the conversations between them. The current Makassar language, according to their narrative, has changed a lot and is heavily influenced by other languages, such as from Bugis and Malay. The original Makassar languages, in fact, can still be found in the southern part of Goa, precisely at the foot of Mount Lompo Batang. History. The Bugis are a tribe belonging to the Diro Melayu tribes. Entered the archipelago after the first wave of migration from mainland Asia, to be precise, Yunnan. The word Bugis comes from the word Yugi, which means Bugis people. When the people of Lasantopagi named themselves, they were referring to their ring. Lasantopagi is the father of Vikudai and siblings to Batara Latu, the father of Sawaradin. Sawaradin himself is the husband of Vikudai and gave birth to several children, including Lagaligo. In the past there was a large kingdom called the Kingdom of Goa on the land of Makassar. Around the 14th to 17th centuries, the Goa kingdom had a fleet capable of traveling outside the Sulawesi region to several other areas in the Indonesian archipelago. The Makassar tribe is historically and from their origin still related to the Bugis tribe. Technology systems. Means of transportation. A. Pinisi boat. B. Bicycle and bicycle bendy or dokar. Traditional clothing of the Bugis tribe. The Bodo shirt is a traditional dress of the Bugis tribe and is thought to be one of the oldest clothes in the world. This type of clothes is known as Muslin European, Maisalos, Ancient Greek, Massalia as Indian, or Rome Arabic clothes, as the name implies Bodo, which means sword. This shirt is indeed sword silhouette. Home art system. Art system, the traditional house of the Bugis Makassar tribe in the form of a stake, consisting of three parts as follows. 1. Kalibala is for goose, sleeping, and eating. 2. Pamakang is for saving heirlooms. 3. Pasiringan is for storing agricultural tools. Various kinds of dance. 1. Padupa Bosor dance. 2. Pakarena dance. 3. Mabadong dance. And 4. Pagalu dance. Typical food. A. Soto Makassar. B. Sop Conro. C. Es Palu Butung. And D. Barongko. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.